Late payments. They are categorized based on how delinquent you are. Whether you're 30 days, 60 days, 90 days late, the longer you're delinquent, the more detrimental it is to your credit score. One late payment could drop your score 50 plus points. So this makes it hard to qualify for great credit cards and favorable loan terms. So I'm gonna show you guys my step-by-step blueprint on how to remove late payments off your credit profile. So first things first, I want you guys to pull your credit report. So go to myscoreiq.com, pull your credit reports and FICO scores, and then we're gonna look at each account on your report. You wanna identify the accounts that have late payments. What you're gonna do is look at the 2-year payment history. You'll see which accounts have 30-day, 60-day, 90-day, or 120-day late payment statuses on that particular month. So once you identify which accounts have late payments, then we can start disputing the inaccurate late payment. The credit bureaus are responsible for reporting accurate information at all times. When it comes to disputing inaccurate late payments and other items, you want to pull your reports and make sure your late payment months match up with all 3 credit bureaus. If they do not match up, meaning Experian reported good standing, but the other 2 bureaus reported a 30 or 60-day late payment, that's an inaccuracy. We can point that inaccuracy out on a dispute letter. I have late payment letters in my Google Drive link in the description below. So I was checking my US Bank app a couple months ago and I noticed I had a late payment fee. I immediately called US Bank and told them, look, I've never been late on anything. Can y'all waive this fee? They agreed to waive the fee. And essentially what this is called is a goodwill adjustment. So what I want you guys to do is call the companies that you owe, AKA the creditor, and let them know, I've been good on my payments in the past. I had this one hiccup. Is there anything we can do about this? And make sure you speak to somebody in management because they have the power to submit credit requests to the credit bureaus. It's a 50-50 chance it may work, but it's more ammunition for getting a late payment off your credit report. You ever been out to eat and you had a bad experience and maybe you or your spouse left a bad review? So with the Better Business Bureau, you can file complaints and leave bad reviews for the companies you owe, aka the creditors. So you just want to describe the situation with your late payment. This could get their attention and possibly get the late payment disputed. You can also file complaints with the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, doing the exact same thing. So these are 2 other methods you can use outside of sending letters to the credit bureaus and calling the original company. So you don't want to add insult to injury and stop paying your accounts because you got a late payment. So continue to make your payments as usual, but still dispute those accounts because over time, the late payments affect your credit less and less. There's no guarantee this late payment will come off your report, but if you try these methods, it's possible that you can get it removed. Now you have my step-by-step blueprint on how to potentially remove late payments and boost your credit score. A strong credit profile will open doors to better financial opportunities. Remember, the goal is to leverage your credit to buy income.